All right, let's try another example. First thing we want to do is draw our lines. And next, we are going to write down the given in the upper left box. So 50 milliliters. The next step is to write that same unit diagonally toward the bottom, and then the unit that we are going to work towards, which is liters. That goes right above the milliliters. Then we're going to look at milliliters and liters and determine which one is larger. Here's milli, and then liter is a base unit. It's to the left of milli, so we're going to write a 1 next to the larger unit, which is that 1 liter. And then we'll determine how many of the smaller units are in the larger unit. You can do this by looking at this chart. There are 10 milliliters in a centiliter, there are 10 centiliters in a deciliter, and there are 10 deciliters in a liter. Another way to count it is there are 10, 100, 1,000 milliliters in a liter. So 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. Now we're going to cancel out the like units and then do the math. 50 times 1 is 50. 1,000 times 1 is 1,000. 50 divided by 1,000 and then my units.